Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the safe's exact combination and that the dial moves smoothly. Once done, rotate the dial clockwise 3 full turns to clear any prior input. This guarantees a clean start and prevents partial rotations from causing errors. Then slow down and stop exactly on the first number, aligning the tick mark to the center of the dial. Make sure your hand is steady and you feel the subtle click when the number lines up. This tactile feedback matters for accuracy. Next, turn the dial counterclockwise 1 full turn past the first number, then continue to the second number and stop on the next pass. Doing this prevents misalignment from partial rotations. Once stopped, rotate the dial clockwise directly to the third number. Do not add extra full spins unless specified by the safe's instructions. Take your time, pause briefly at each stop so the internal wheels settle. Listening for clicks and watching the indicator helps confirm you've engaged each combination. After you reach the third number, turn the handle or pull the latch as specified by your safe. Many require a small left turn first to release the bolt. If the door does not open, don't force it. Repeat the entire sequence slowly and exactly as before, because a single extra click or half turn can prevent opening. If it still fails, inspect the dial for play, worn markings, or debris that blocks wheel engagement. Cleaning or a controlled adjustment often fixes the issue without professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.